Sound me along. Lafayette, no surrounding areas. As far as big quick promotions, Friday night, February the 16th at the CajunDome Convention Center. Know one thing.
This train gon' keep on rolling.
As they present the Valentine's Explosion R&B Zydeco Fest featuring Chrisette Michelle. Friday night, February the 16th for CajunDome Convention Center. And on the same show, it's Lyfe Jennings.
Someone who understands.
And on the same show, special guest J.Paul. So y'all better go to Ticketmaster.com or the CajunDome box office or call 225-315-6476 or 504-494-9914. Cause I'ma tell you like that Chinese lady said, all minutes is society.
Hurry up and buy.
Greg D's letting you know.
Do you understand?